Presenting the 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, enhanced driver alert package, magnetic ride control suspension package, MEX trailering package, sun, entertainment and destinations package, 10 speakers, Bose Centerpoint Premium 10 speakers surround sound, MP3 decoder and premium audio system, Chevrolet MyLink. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.